Hey guys, we are going to talk about this concept of the least common multiple, or you may hear it called the LCM. An LCM is the lowest number that two sets of numbers both have in common. So, least meaning lowest, common the same, and multiple, that's if we skip count. Okay, and it's actually pretty easy to do. So we're going to do just a couple quick ones. And I'm just going to do the numbers 2 and 5 first. So the way you do is you write them vertically like that. And I put a colon here, 2 and 5. I'm going to start with my 2. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just counting by twos. And I'm going to go just a couple, 12, 14. Now I'm going to count by fives. You always start with that number because 1 times whatever number by the identity property is that number. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Actually, let's go up here a little bit more. 16, 18, 20, because we'll see a common mistake. So a lot of times people want to look and say, oh, look, we've got 20 in common. Well, we want the lowest one. What is the lowest number that both sets have in common? 2, 4, 6, 8. It would be 10 and 10. So the LCM of 2 and 5 equals 10. Okay? We'll do one more. Let's do 4 and we'll do an easy one. 4 and 8, right? We may already be able to see that. So counting by fours, 4, 8, 12. Well, we know that 8 goes 8, 16. The LCM equals 8. Okay. And you could continue counting, but really you don't need to. You just need whatever's going to be the lowest one. Because if you keep going with a lot of numbers, you're going to find very many multiples that they have in common. You want the lowest one. So let's go with the numbers 3 and let's do 3 and 4. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 4, 8, 12. There we go. As soon as you find that number in common, you are done. LCM equals 12. And this is important when you're starting to add fractions. Like say I'm adding 2/3 plus 1/4. Well, I can't add those together because my denominators are not the same. So what I have to do is I need to find the LCM of those two denominators. And we actually just did this, so we know that LCM is going to be 12. So what I need to do is I need to make those both 12. Well, how do I make 3 12? I multiply it by 4. How do I make 4 12? I multiply it by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I also need to do to the top. 4, that's times 3. So 3 times 4 was 12. 4 times 3 was 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. And then I add those together to get 11 12. So remember, when you add fractions, you do not change the denominators. Okay. I hope that makes sense. It's pretty easy to find the LCM, and you could do it, with really any size numbers. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.